Okay, I think all doubt are clear. Make a separate project, okay, for today class purpose. Okay, sure. So I will create separate project, no issue. So look here, guys. So these many things I completed yesterday project only. So that is class, deriving a class to class, deriving a interface to interface, deriving a class from interface. So today we need to implement deriving a class from multiple interface. Okay, how it's possible? Look here, all those things, how it will be possible. Look, so let me, I'll create one more project, then you people get more clarity. Okay, so no worry. Okay, guys, so look here, so I'm creating one more project. File new, then Java project. Giving my project name is interface project. Okay, day 3. Okay, this project name I'm creating here, then finish. Okay, so my project is ready. So I need to create here package. So I just right click here, then new, then I'm creating here my package name is, okay, my package name is com dot software engineer builder. Okay, so I'm creating this package. Okay, so look, my package is currently ready. So then what I'll do, so I need to creating one class. Okay, simple, just I need to creating one class. That class name I put it as test class. Anyhow, you can put any name, that's not issue. Okay, so on the test class I'm writing here main method. Okay, so okay, then guys, I need to create here interface. Okay, so for that, just below class interface is there, so I need to click that one. Then this is interface, so I'm passing my interface name is intr. Okay, intr1 means interface 1, guys. Okay, in interface 1, so I'm defining guys here, that is variable. Okay, so how will defining variable? Public, okay, static, okay, public static void, sorry, public static string. Okay, you can pass a string name. I pass here my name is Rajesh. Okay, so this variable I define, let assume. Okay, then second case, second thing, same thing I need to create. I need to create here one more variable, but that's variable I need instance. Okay, instance means I need to remove here static keyword. Then after that I need to variable name I putting company. Okay, so I putting my variable name is company, then putting my company name is Amazon. Okay, so let us assume these two variable I define here. Okay, then one method is there, that is public void m1. One method is there, so interface content only abstract method, you know guys. Okay, so one interface is ready. So guys, then one more interface I need to creating by using same thing, only one small changes I put it there. Then like this we need to creating one more interface. Just I right click here, new, then interface. Okay guys, so I'm putting my interface name is enter. Okay, enter 2. Okay, then just finish that one. Second interface is ready, so same properties or method I'm passing, but here I passing just only instead of, uh, in data type I'm passing here into data type, and I'm passing here value as a 100. Okay, so okay, syntax error. Okay, colon, not colon. Okay, int, I'm passing variable name is a. Okay, then second case, guys, instance thing I'm passing here, let int b. Okay, then I'm passing here, then guys it is a instant, no, so just remove this one. Here all those things here, instead of m1 method I'm creating m2 method. Look, two interface is currently ready and one test class is currently ready. So I want access, guys, I want access this m1, sorry, I want to derive from a interface to, I want to derive a class from a interface. So if you want to deriving a class from a interface, what's it meaning? So its meaning is we need to create here child is test class and parent is intro one interface. Okay, we need to create these things. If you need to creating these things, it means here what we did, so deriving a class from a interface. So if it is deriving a class from a interface, how it's possible? So what I do, so I just go to class, then under class I need to use one keyword, guys, so that is implements. Okay, I need to use implements keyword, then I need to use interface name intro one. Look, guys, if I implement like this, then one issue is coming. So what's the issue? A type test must implement the inherited obstacle method intro m1. Look, guys, so you know interface contain obstacle method. Obstacle method means the method doesn't contain implementation body. Only method declaration is there. Okay, so look here, here is obstacle method is m1 method. If obstacle method there, if need to deriving somewhere, so in this case you must be implement this method. Okay, we are not putting as it is as abstract, we should be implement in its child, otherwise it will be giving issue. So let's anything same method implements means how will implement, you just copy, you come its interface, you just copy here. Okay, after copy same thing, you can take your class level, after class level, so what will do, so you just put, okay, you just paste here. So after pasting implementation meaning what, implementation meaning the method contain body. So body means, guys, just open bracket and close bracket, this is open bracket, this is close bracket. This area, which area I selected, this area is called body section, guys. Okay, so under this area you can write any logic. Okay, as per your requirement you can write any logic here. So I'm writing logic here. It is from intro one. Okay. I'm writing logic here. It is from intro one. As per requirement, guys, you can write any logic. Look, guys. Currently, that issue is gone. No issue is raised under test class. Clear? So then, guys, I want to access all those member which I define under where? Under intro one. Okay, all those things I want to access, so this name, this company name, and m1 method, all those things I want to access under test class. So how it will be accessed, so look, for static member purpose, guys, not required to create object. So how will I access, so we need to access directly. Okay, static member we need to access directly. How will I access, like this. So we just call a. A is there, no, or something is there, sorry, intro one content name. Okay, variable name content name. So I just call here name. Look here, if I calling name, so I'm easily access whatever properties I define under intro one. Look, that properties I printed directly. It's Rajesh calling. If I calling directly name, but look here under this class, nothing I define. Okay, Rajesh is not defined, but I called directly name. It's calling. So where it's calling from interface. The under interface, Rajesh name variable is defined and its value also defined. So that's why when I calling under test class, so it will be called. Okay, then guys, instance member. Okay, instance member are there. So how it will be calling? So instance member purpose, guys, we need to create here object. Okay, how it will be creating object? Remember, guys, one thing: interface. Interface, we will not create object. Okay, because interface will not create object. So who create object? So it's implemented class is created object. Remember these things. Okay, just note purpose, remember these things. Later we'll explain more and more about interface. So remember one point note. Okay, what means what? Interface interface does not. Okay, interface does not create object. Okay, if interface does not create object, how its instance variable instant measure how will access? Okay, first point, you people it's thinking, so interface does, if interface does not create object, how its instant member and instance like variable or method how will access? Remember, interface does not create object, but it's implementation class. Okay, implementation class means it's inherited class, guys. It's inherited class or implemented class create object. Okay, so like this, guys. Interface doesn't create object. It's implemented class. Implemented. Okay, implemented class. Or we can say inherited. Inherited class. Inherited class will create. Okay, will create object. Okay, guys. So not this one you remember, interface doesn't create object, it's implemented class or inherited class will create object. So guys, remember. So let assume interface. Okay, interface I1 is there. Okay, interface I1 is there. Okay, our requirement, as per our requirement, that is ITR. Okay, ITR interface ITR is there. Okay, any logic I wrote here. Okay, anything statement, any statement I wrote here, so no worry for that. Then I'm not creating like this object. Okay, object means, guys, how well creating we in class level what we did, so we directly take intr. Okay, intr one. Okay, a variable name abc like anything equal to new. Oh, INTR one. So we did in class level like this, but it's not possible. Okay, it's not possible for interface. It's it's not possible for interface. Okay, it's not possible for interface. So if not possible for interface, so who will create object for it? So guys, uh, its implementation class. Okay, its implementation class will create object for it. So how it's implemented, like guys here, class test. Okay, implements intro one. Okay, so then any statement, guys, if I write here any statement or any logic, that is not issue, just I'm telling here how to create object. Okay, okay, So look here then. So then after that, what we'll do? Then after that, we need to create object. How it will be creating? So just guys remember one rule is there. Previously one rule is there. What is the rule? That third rule is there. Third rule means parent p equal to new child. By using this concept, guys, by using this test cases, or you can say by using this rule, we can create object for interface. Remember, guys, parent p equal to new child. This is one test cases. No, yesterday session we discussed. By using these test cases, we can create object for interface. Okay, it means parent reference injected with child object. So like this same concept. So here I need to create. Sorry, I need to provide here 1 minute, guys. So I have one important things. Important call. 1 minute, guys. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Charger. Charger. मैं engage करूँ. Okay. Okay, guys. So then let's proceed. So then you I told. So how will we create object for interface? By using its implementation class. Okay, by using its implementation class we can create objects. So I already saw that the third rule. Okay, based on this third rule we can create. So how it's possible? So I just create here what intro 1. Intro 1, I'm passing that reference like a b c, anything you can pass. Okay, equal to, so this object. Okay, this means that test class object need to inject here. So new test. Okay, look guys. So these things you know yesterday session. What is the rule? The third rule, that is parent reference injecting child object. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, so then like this we need to creating object here. So let's creating object here. So how will be creating object? So one is intro. Okay, intro 1 abc equal to new test. Okay, this is one way to creating object. Then we can call directly. So it's instance member. How will be calling? So like sysout. So I just call, I take abc as a reference. Then I take company. One variable is there. So then I need to creating here. It's implement sorry, obstacle class also there. So I just implementing abc dot last name is m1. Okay, so like this we can create. So let's run here. Look, if I creating here, then that all that output will come here. Okay, clear? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt here? So all these things are clear. Okay, so no worry. Then one more way, guys, you know. So that is we can create directly here. Test yesterday session also I created here. We can create. This is one way. Then other ways you can create test mean directly child class object. We need to child class object and child class reference, all those things you can inject, then it will be creating like this also. This is also one more alternative way to creating that object. No worry for that, actually yesterday session also we discussed that one. Okay, then I need to implement, guys. I need to implement more. So more interface, so how will be possible? So just I use here comma. Okay, then I need to use intro part 2. Intro 2 is one interface is there. Okay, look here. So I need to deriving a class from multiple interface. How it's possible? Look here. So intro 1, you know, then intro u1 under class, you can all those things you can access currently. Then same thing, under intro to all those properties I want to access. Okay, so how it's implementing, look there. Same thing, guys. So just go here. Okay, then just I want to printing its static member, because look, if I implementing intro 1 comma intro 2, it means all properties. Okay, it means all properties for intro 1 and intro 2 will be eligible. Okay. Okay, look here. One more condition, one more thing is rising here. One more issue is rising. What's the issue? The previous issue. So, which issue you faced in intro one interface? What issue you faced in intro one interface? You faced in that time that object class need to implement. Okay, need to implement, it's in child, it's in child means under test class. So second case also here, one m2 abstract classes there, sorry, abstract interface, sorry, abstract method, that is one abstract method are there. So this abstract method we need to implement in its child. In its child means we need to implement this abstract method on the test class. Okay, so guys look here, so how I'll implement also this one. So just same thing, guys, what you told. So just I copy here. Okay, my abstract method here I copy, then I go here test class. On the test class I need to implement, so just I paste there. Okay, so just I paste there. Then after that what I do, then after that I need to provide here implementation body. Implementation body means, guys, just open bracket and close bracket, then under you can write any statement. So I'm just writing dummy purpose. So it's from, it is from intro 2. It is from intro 2 means, guys, it's indicate this method coming from intro 2 interface. Okay, look, guys, now error is gone, all those error is gone now. So then, guys, I want to access this intro 2, all those properties and behavior here. Okay, so how will be access? We can access directly, guys. This static member purpose we can access directly. So how will access? So sys out, here is static and here is instance. Okay, then second case. Okay, static intro 1, here is static member, in the instance member intro 2. Okay, then second case also I'm writing here static intro 2, sorry, it's also intro 1. Okay, intros 2, then I'm writing here it's static member. So look here, guys. So what I'm writing here, so I'm just calling it static variable. What static variable is there? There A is there or not? Under intro 2, look, guys, A is there under intro 2. So I can directly access. So if I print directly, look, what's output will come here. Look, its output also coming 100. Yes or no? Then second case. So instance member I need to access here. So how will be access? Instance. Okay, instance intro 2. Okay, instance member purpose here also, guys, I need to create its object. So how it will be possible? Look here, intro 2, same thing. intro to ITR. I put a variable ITR, no issue. Then new test. Let's look like this. I can define here. Then I need to call here my instance member, who is present in our interface too. So for that, actually, what I'll do, so just I need to printing this thing instant member. So just I need to write here sysout. Okay. Then my instance member is here. So my instance member, how to we call here, so by using its reference, so reference is here itr. Okay, itr dot b is there one more instance variable. Okay, then method also there. So what is the method? itr dot, okay, itr dot what, itr dot our method name is m2 method. Okay, then look here, all those things I called here. Then I try to run. What's output will come? Look here, output is, all those output is coming. First cases, this is static variable and instant variable. Then this is instant method. In second cases, this is static variable. This is instant variable. This is instant method. Look here, guys. Here we can call a class deriving from multiple interface. You guys, you understand maybe. So here this case means a class deriving from multiple interface. All those things clear or any doubt here? Anybody, any doubt? Please ping here. Then I will proceed next. Okay, holding interface object in class reference. That's interface reference class object. Okay, class object holding interface reference. Okay, interface is here, interface providing reference. Then under this reference we need to inject our class object. Okay, okay, others, anybody, any doubt up to this? Then I'll go little bit complicate. If you understand this step very clearly, then you will not facing any complicate, all those things you will get very clarity. Okay, nothing complicated in our life, but you should be understand, then it's easy. Okay, then I think all are clear. Okay, then proceed. Look guys, one more step I'm telling here. So guys, so look here, here is two references created. Okay, two references created, this is one reference. Okay, and this is another reference. Two references created. Okay, so guys, I need to, oh, I don't want to create here two reference. I want to create one interface reference, and I want to accessing all those two interface properties and behavior. So how it's possible, guys? Okay, understand how it's possible. I want to accessing, I want to creating one interface reference. Look here, guys. Here I created two interface reference. Here is first one is line number 20. Okay, one interface reference. So intro abc equal to new object new test. Then second case, so I'm creating here intro to abc and new test. It means, guys, two times. Okay, two times I'm creating here reference, then injecting same object. Okay, if I creating two times all the object and injecting same object, so but there is if why I want to create one time, I want to create one time object and injecting all those injecting this object and accessing all those our properties and behavior. How it's possible? Look guys, so we need to designing like this. So let's assume, so here I need to, yesterday I told no, so when you want to deriving a interface to interface, in this case you need to use extend keyword. And when you want to deriving a class to class, in this case also you need to use extend keyword. Same thing I will do here. guys. So look guys here. So this condition, I think this is this thing you understand here. Under here I will modify or I will create one more project, then you people get clarity. If you modify here, it's okay, but this is one type of design, another type of design purpose. Okay guys, no worry, I'm creating one more package. Okay, same project, I'm creating one more package, and under this package I'm implementing, and that one. Okay, same two interface I'm creating, same two test class I need to creating. Guys, remember this is one type of designing in inheritance. Okay, so then I need to design it's a child inheritance. Okay, look guys, so I'm creating here package, so I'm also telling what type of inheritance, how many type of inheritance are there, all those things I already explained guys. So in last I'm telling, so type of inheritance means direct inheritance, then multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchy inheritance, then hybrid inheritance, all those things I'm telling just definition. But before that, all those example I cover. Okay, so look here. So just I'm creating one more package and giving some other example. So same thing. Then software engineer builder, I'm creating that package name. I'm adding here under package. I'm adding one more something like test. Okay, like test. I added there. Then look here. This project, under this project, two packages ready. Okay, under two package I need to create here one more class. So no worry about these things, this is separate project. Okay, means it is present in separate package. No worry this one. Then I need to create here one more new package. Under this package I need to create package. Guys, 1 minute, I have also one more office call, just a minute. Yeah, hello.
इसमें फुल कंपनी इसमें
Okay guys, so am I audible guys? Okay, so then proceed here. Okay, so let's guys, I'm creating here one more class. So under this test class I need to create here one more class. Then what happening we'll see. Okay, so I'm creating test one. So previously I creating test, so I'm creating here one class test one. Okay, then under this class I'm writing here main method. Same thing, this is nothing complicated. Okay, under this class I need to create what? I need to create interface. Okay, so let it I creating interface is I1. Okay, my interface name is I1. Then one more creating interface here. Just right click this package, then new. Then I'm creating one more interface there, that is I2. Okay, two interface I'm creating here. Okay, then whatever properties is previously having, we just take. Okay, I'm just taking all those properties, I'm just copying here. Okay, from intro one, then same properties and behavior I'm pasting here. I do. You can write if you want writing more and more. You can write. You can on write. That is not issue. Just easy purpose. I'm writing because we need to complicate soon. No. So then second thing is I need to the second interface whatever property is there. So I just copy here. Okay. Then second thing is second under second interface like I2 I paste all those things. Look guys. So no worry previous thing. So look here. So our what? Our test class is ready. Okay, then I1 interface is ready, then I2 is interface is ready. This is nothing, this is only I did here declaration. Okay, then guys I need to implementing. Okay, I need to I need to deriving a interface from a interface. So for that what I do, so for that actually I need to deriving I1 interface from I2 interface. So how will you deriving? So by using guys here extend keyword. Okay, extend keyword, then I2. Okay guys, then I2 interface. Look at, if I deriving like this, if I writing like this, so guys it means whatever properties and behavior present under I2, okay, all those things is available under I1. Yes or no? Yes. Then guys I need to create object here. So just I need to deriving here. Okay, deriving a class from I1 interface. So for that what I do, so I just use here implements. Okay, I just use here implements I1 interface. Okay, if I using implements I1 interface, let's look. Here is issue is coming. Why issue is coming? Because their method is there. Okay, method means M1 method and M2 method. Two abstract method is there. If you need to deriving a class from a interface, in this time what we do? In this time whatever abstract method are present under interface, that abstract method we should be override. Okay, we should be provide implementation body under its implementation class. Okay, implementation class means here is implementation class. For that actually guys what to do, so I just go here I1, then I need to copy here same thing, I need to copy here my abstract method, then again go the class, then under test class I need to put here. Put means I need to provide here its implementation body, same thing as what I did yesterday, only we have declaration I'm changing. Okay, so just I'm going to out, just I'm printing. It is okay. It is from I1. It is from I1. Then one more is it's also look here. It's also issues there because it's also telling M2 method is there. Okay, M2 method implementation also required because why it's telling like this, because it's deriving from I1. I1 means whatever properties having I2, all those properties will available in I1. So then what I do, just I go here I2, just copy here my M2 method, just copy here. Okay, then again I come here test class, under test class I need to paste here. Okay, if I paste, then after that I need to provide here implementation body. Okay, then I need to write here some logic or statement. Okay, then I need to write here it is from I2. Okay, it is from I2. Guys, now I think all clear. Look here, the issue is gone. Then I need to create object. Okay, then I need to create object and injecting our reference. Look here. So I need to create a reference for I1 and injecting text one object. So how it's possible? Look here. Then I create here I1. Okay, I1. I create a ITR. I1 ITR equal to new test one. Okay, new test one. Look here. If I creating, it means I1 interface. Okay, I1 interface collected test one object. Okay, look here. Our object and the reference is ready. I'm calling that static member and instance member one by one. Same thing as so instance member static member purpose not required to create object. Okay, static. So we're directly calling here sys out. What is name? Okay, then we're directly calling sysout. What is a? Then instance member purpose we need to create object. Okay, instance member purpose object is required. Like this, we need to create object. Okay, so how will be creating object? Here is I already defined. Okay, then I need to accessing instance member. So how will I access? By using itr dot what company. Okay, then second case sysout. I need to define itr dot b. Then method as we need to call. So like itr dot what? Itr dot m1. Then second case itr dot m2. Okay. So like this we need to call here. So let's guys, I'm running here. Its output is as expected coming or not. We need to check. Just right click. Look guys, output is coming as expected. Means I need to call here. That is what static member name where present name present under I1 interface, so it will be printing. Then a present under I2 interface, then it will be printing. Then guys, then all those things are instance member. For that actually I need to create object. So guys, previously I create object separate. Yes or no? Previously I created object separate, but current case I create object only one object. So I created and injecting only one reference. Okay, then here all those things I can access. How it's possible? Okay, guys, because of inheritance. Okay, because of inheritance, we can create object like this. We can accessing like this. Then second case, all those instance member here I'm calling. So based on this reference I'm taking, I'm calling only single. Look here guys, only single reference I'm creating. I create reference for I1 interface. Look here, company is present instance variable under I1. Then it's calling. Then second case for use I1 interface reference. I also calling B where present under I2 instance member it is B. Then it will be calling. Yes or no guys? So I can call by using this scenario. I can call both I1 interface properties and I2 interface properties. Look guys, second case also. ITR M1 method project under I1 interface. Okay, then I will call that one. Then I2, sorry, M2 method present where under I2. Look here, M2 method. Then on the based on this reference, it's also calling. It means what it mean? It means I created here, guys. I created here uh, I created here one reference injecting. injecting this test class, then we need to calling here, because of I implemented previously interface to interface relation, interface deriving a interface to interface relation. If I deriving a interface to interface relation, in this time what happened? In this time, I to interface all those properties available I1 interface, then I can easily access here. All those things clear, guys, or any doubt? Anybody? Anybody? Any doubt? Please bring here. All are clear? All are clear or not? Anybody? Any doubt? Yeah, ask. What is doubt? Yeah, ask me, Faraj. What doubt you have? Others? Anybody? Any doubt? Guys, please confirm if you are facing any doubt. Okay. If you extend one interface into another, then all properties of second interface we can access through single object. Yes, yes, access. Okay. Others? Anybody? Any doubt? Jyotiranjan, do you have any doubt? Okay. Okay. If nobody is doubt, then by default yes, all are clear. So then we'll proceed. So this concept, okay, this concept, I think completed most of things. Then one more thing, one more few thing is remaining. I'm telling now. So look here. So Java class, okay, Java interface contain multiple inheritance, guys. But Java class doesn't create multiple inheritance. It is a one interview question. Anybody, any interviewer will ask if each Java class contain multiple inheritance. It's not possible, guys. Okay, remember one thing. So one interview question: each Java, each Java, can we create multiple multiple inheritance? Okay, each Java, can you create multiple inheritance? Okay, it is one interview question, guys. Remember, it's a very important, very important. Okay, it's a one interview question, very important. Is Java is Java? Can we create multiple inheritance, guys? Answer is no. Okay, answer is no. We will not create multiple inheritance. Why? If then interviewer will asking question, why will not create multiple inheritance? You can give in that time example. It's example. Okay, if interviewer will asking why we will not create, why we will not create. Okay, because in that time you can ask, because Java class content implemented method. Okay, one Java class content implemented method. If you create multiple inheritance, then it will be confused. Okay, it will be confused which implemented method will be accessed. Then we'll be getting ambiguity error. Okay, to avoiding this ambiguity problem, Java we will not create multiple inheritance guides. Okay, this is very easy. Very easy. If somebody asking Java will create multiple inheritance, it's not possible. You are telling no, it's not possible. So you can tell directly. Okay, you can tell directly. There may be, there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance of ambiguity problem. Okay, ambiguity. Okay, there may be a chance ambiguity problem. Hence, Java won't create. Okay, guys. Hence, Java won't create, or we can say won't support. Okay, won't support for multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Okay, this is its answer. If somebody asking Java support multiple inheritance, you can say no, it's not possible. So why? So there may be a chance to ambiguity problem. To avoiding this ambiguity problem, Java wants create multiple inheritance. Like guys, ambiguity problem means what? So I like guys, I'm telling its example. So how will getting that ambiguity problem? Look guys, look, one class is there. Okay, I'm telling here example. You can tell in that time also, if you tell this example, what example I'm telling, then it's also better. Okay, example, let's, one class is there, class p1 means parent one is there. Okay, then under p1, then one method is there. Okay, what's the method? Then that method is there, one public void m1. Okay, public void m1 method is there. So you can write this thing, this type. Then guys, look here, then any statement is there. Look, one method is there, same thing, same type of class. This is one parent class. Then one more class I need to create here, class p2 means parent 2 I'm creating. Okay, under p2, let's contain one same method, its content also same m1 method. Here all p1 also contain m1 method, and p2 also contain same m1 method, like public void m1. Okay, public void m1. Then we are implementing like this. Then here if you are passing any logic. Okay, if you designing like this guys, look here, one class is there, that is p1 class. Class content which method? P1 class content m1 method. Then one more class is there guys, that is p2 class. P2 class also contain same m2 method, sorry, same m1 method. These two classes difference, but method is same. These two class contain same method, same m1 method, same m1 method. P1 class also contain m1 method, and p2 class also contain same m1 method. So if I need to create its multiple inheritance means like this guys, extends class extends p1 comma p2, like interface, which type of created in interface. Okay, like we're creating like this. Okay, look, then if I look here, it's present public static void main, it's present. Okay, let assume it's present public static void main string array x are present. Look, then guys, I want to access this m1 method. Okay, then it will be confused. So which m1 method will calling? For p1, for p1 class m1 method will call, or p2 m1 method will call? Is it guys? It will be confused. When when I implementing like this multiple inheritance, okay, then I want to accessing m1 method. In that time it will be confused. So which m1 method will call? So p1 m1 method will call, or p2 class m1 method will call? So it will be confusion. Confusion things we are calling ambiguity. In technical guys, confusion means ambiguity. Remember one thing, confusion. I'm writing here also. Ambiguity meaning. Ambiguity meaning. Ambiguity mean we can say confusion. Okay, ambiguity mean confusion. So here it's confused. So which M1 method will call? Then it will be confusion. If it is confused, then it will be giving that ambiguity problem. If I calling like this, okay, if I calling like this, so if I creating here, so like this means if I creating, so let's it is C class. I'm not given here class guys. Okay, see if I creating like this object C equal to new C. Okay, if I creating like this, so if I accessing C dot M1, if I accessing like this, so it will be getting in that time will be getting, okay, in that time will be getting ambiguity problem. Ambiguity problem. Okay, ambiguity problem. Okay, in that time we'll getting ambiguity problem. Very clear guys, very clear, nothing. So one thing is there, so I'm creating p1 class contain m1 method, p2 class contain m1 method, and this c1 class deriving from p1 and p2. Then when I creating like this, and when I to call here p1, then it will be confused, so which m1 will calling, then in this case you will getting ambiguity problem. So that's why, that's reason guys, that's reason Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Okay, this is question, this is answer, this is question. If you asking somebody, if you telling directly ambiguity problem, he can understand that thing. Okay, if you want to explain by example way, you can tell this example. Okay, you can tell this example, then that people get more clarity. Okay guys, any doubt here? Any doubt? I think you all are getting very clear here. Any doubt? Tell me, guys, if you having any doubt, tell me. All are clear or any doubt? Guys, please think. If you have any doubt, please think. Please think. I need to finish quickly. Okay. Please ping here. If you have any doubt, please ping. Yeah, ping. What is the doubt? Okay. How can we overcome this multiple inheritance in Java? Explain once. Yeah, to overcome, actually look, Java class doesn't support multiple inheritance. If we use that interface, okay, if you use that interface concept, it will be possible, it will be possible to write multiple inheritance. Okay, based on deriving concept, based on inheritance concept, by using interface. Okay, you can avoid this multiple inherited, but class level it's not possible. It's strictly, okay, it's strictly telling by some people. Okay, some Microsoft, yeah, it's strictly telling some people. Okay, you will not create, okay, multiple inheritance by using Java. Okay, but same thing you want to same benefit, you can go with that interface concept. Okay, if you use the interface and you can use that class concept, then it will be possible. Okay, then directly also interface and class you can also use at a time, it's also possible, but class level it's not possible. Okay, or any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt guys? Okay, I think no doubt. Look, so class level it's not possible, but if you use this type of concept, okay, this type of concept means like I explain two things by using interface. Okay, you also get like this type of benefit, you can get same type of benefit also you can get here by using interface and class, by using a multiple interface, and like this concept if you use, then it will be get benefit like this. But class level you won't create. Okay, this is the ambiguity issue. Okay, okay guys, so then I will tell here two difference also there, two important difference also there. Is a relation and has a relation. Okay, it is also coming here. What is a relation and what is has a relation? Up to this, any doubt or anybody, please tell if you have. You have shown an example today that's is only multiple inheritance, right? Yes, I saw their example that is multiple inheritance. Okay, so actually, what exact you tell? So please unmute and you can say, Haraj, if you want. So you can unmute and you can say. If you typing that, no, it's taking long time because I'm proceed next. Okay, if you have any doubt, please unmute and you can say. Okay, okay. So then look here. So after that, two things I need to explain here: is a relation and has a relation. Okay, what is a relation and what is has a relation? So look, to difference also there. It is also one interview question, very very important. Okay, very important interview question. Okay, very important interview question. Okay, very important interview question, guys. One is a relation. Okay, another is has a relation. Okay, has a relation. Okay, if somebody asking what is a relation and what is has a relation. Okay, guys, we can say has a relationship is known as composition and aggregation. First point, guys, you can write has a relation. Okay, has a has a relation. Relation is also known as composition. Composition or aggregation. Okay, or aggregation. Okay, has a relation is called composition or aggregation. Okay, guys, this is first point. And second point, so by using new keyword we can create these things. Okay, there is no specific keyword to implement has a relation. Okay, but most of the time as per dependency on new keyword. Okay, so how will creating has a relation? By using by using by using new keyword we can create okay has a relation. As look here, has a relation by using new keyword. New keyword means you all are know, by using object, by creating object we can create has a relation. So what is the main purpose? We are creating a has a relation. So main purpose is for reusability purpose. For the main advantage, you can put the main advantage. Okay, the main advantage purpose. The main advantage of has a relation relation is to is to code is the main advantage is reusability of code. Okay, reusability. Okay, reusability. Relity. Okay, reusability of code. Okay, this 3 point, guys. This 3 point you can understand. Look here, guys. Look, so one class is there. Okay, one class. Assume it's an example. Also, you can put example. One class is there. Okay, so I'm putting class name is A. Okay, then properties is there. Okay, this class content int a equal to 10. Okay, anything. This thing is content or any method is m1 method is content. Just assume, guys. Then I want to create. Okay, I want to create class B. Okay, if I create here class B, sorry, it's example you can take it's below, then we'll get clarity. This is class 1. Then, guys, then I create here class B. Okay, so if I create class B here, so I want in class of B also I require same thing. I require same object, same A and M1. So for that, actually, guys, I'm creating directly. I'm creating here as a relation of what? So uh, A A equal to new A. If I creating like this, guys, then I'm accessing this A also. I'm accessing. So this A dot A and A dot M1. This thing also I'm accessing. Yes or no? This is the Hajar relationship. Means code reusability. Okay, guys? I think clear. Hajar relationship, you clear or not? Any doubt? Then I'll proceed easy relationship. Guys, please ping. So today class, I need to finish this inheritance concept. Okay. Clear? I'll proceed easy relationship. Okay. So EJ relationship, nothing but, guys, you already know this inheritance concept. Okay, this inheritance concept we can say is a relationship. Okay, inheritance concept, whatever concept you are uh, getting in inheritance, it is called is a relationship. Okay, is a. Okay, previously we were discussing has a. Then second question is Q2. Q2 means question two. Question two, what is a relationship? Okay, what is a relationship? What is a relationship? Okay, what is a relationship, guys? Is a relationship is nothing. Is a relationship is a relationship is nothing. Okay, is a relationship is nothing. Okay, is a relationship is nothing. Is a relationship is a what? It's, you can say it is a inheritance. Is a relationship is nothing. It is a inheritance. Inheritance relation. Inheritance relation. Okay, is a relationship is nothing but it is inheritance relation, because we know now we already implementing that inheritance relation. This all those things you can say is a relationship. Okay, under is a relationship, let whatever properties, okay, whatever properties it's having, all those things we can access. If I define is a relationship like this, guys, class A. Okay, class A content, let's any statement like you can say that is int A. Okay, then int B. Okay, int b, then m1 method. So multiple thing is there. Let us assume, so is the relationship what will define? So class, okay, b extend, same thing, inheritance a. It means, guys, all those properties, it will be available here. If I'm not writing Look here, in has a relationship, you should be called manually. You should be called which property you want to access, you can call manually. But in case of is a relationship, not required to call manually. All those properties by default available. Okay, this is a relationship. All those properties here is available. All those things, all those things available. All those things available, available, which which have class, which have class, okay, which have class A. Okay guys, whatever things available in class A, all those things available in class B. Okay, this is a relationship. But somebody asking what is the difference between is a relationship and has a relationship. Okay, it's also interview question, guys. These three things completely interview question, guys. Please remember this question. Difference between, okay, difference between, okay, difference between is a relation, okay, difference between is a relation and has a relation, has a relation. Okay, guys, difference between is a relation and has a relation. What is the difference? Is a relation and has a relation. Guys, difference is if you want to all the functionality, okay, if you want to total functionality a class automatically, then we should go for is a relationship. Okay, if want to total functionality, if want to total functionality of a class, okay, then we should we should go for is a, okay, is a, we can say like this, is a relation. Okay, then second case, this is first case. Okay, then second case, if you want to part of functionality, okay, so if you want to, if want to want to, okay, if want to few, okay, if want to few, or we can say part of, if want to few part of, we can say if want to few part of functionality, few, if want to few part of functionality, okay, if want to few part of functionality, then you want to few part of functionality as per your requirement also, you can say if you want to few part of functionality, then we should we should go for has a, okay, has a relation. Here guys, so is a relation means, guys, look here, if I defining like this inheritance, then all those things here available, all those properties by default available in class B. It means all functionality will be available. Its statement is if you want to total functionality of a class, then we should go for is a relation. But has a relation, look here, whatever function I call here, if I not calling here, if I not calling these things, the, then here only available only variable. It's not available M1 method. It means part of functionality. If you want to few functionality, then you should be go for has a relation. Clear or any doubt, guys? Please confirm. Please confirm if anybody clear or any doubt. Guys, please confirm. Okay, clear. Good. Good. Then others please confirm. Then I'll proceed next. Then today I finish these things. This inheritance I complete today. One more small thing only. One hierarchy is remaining. Then all those things are almost completed. Okay. Okay, if I'm not telling means by default yes, it's you got it everything. Okay, then guys look here. So type of inheritance, I explain all those inheritance, but there is some type of inheritance is there. Okay, so just guys, I represent this one in programmatically way. Programmatically way, I completed that one. Example also I provided, but I'm not separating. Okay, so type of inheritance. If somebody asking how many type of inheritance is there, okay, it is also one interview question. Okay, this class most of interview question I discuss. Okay, how many? Sorry, we can say type. Okay, type of inheritance. Inheritance. Okay, guys, type of inheritance. There four type of inheritance, guys. First one is we can say single, single inheritance, single inheritance. Okay, single inheritance. Single inheritance means guys what? Single inheritance means deriving a class from another class or deriving a interface another interface. Only one derivation one there was there. So like we can say example, example, example I'm provide here like grandfather. Okay, grandfather. Okay, like grandfather deriving where? Like grandfather deriving father. Okay, here grandfather is super type. Okay, then father is soft type. Only father only deriving where? Father only deriving only grandfather. Okay, it means it's example like this. Okay, we can say this is single inheritance. Only one super type is there. This is called single inheritance. Okay, guys. Then second case. Second case, what is? Second case is multiple inheritance, guys. Okay, multiple inheritance. Inheritance. What is, guys, multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means, guys, that's guys. So one is your father. Okay, one is your father. Assume your father. Your father having two subtype. Okay, your father having two subtype. What is two subtype? One is okay. One is your son. One is son. Son means you. You can say you. Then second is daughter. Second is daughter. Okay, son and daughter. There is two subtype is there. We can say it is multiple inheritance because father deriving son and daughter. You can say I'm already. Otherwise, I'm giving here a real time example also giving. So one class is there. Class father. Okay, class father is present here. Okay, I'm not writing statement. You just understand here. One father, then class. Okay, then class here is sorry, here is grandfather. Okay, first class is grandfather. Here is you understand father. Okay, father is there, then grandfather is there. Father deriving. Okay, father deriving extends. Okay, father deriving grandfather. As understand maybe. Single inheritance means only one super type. Okay, it means it's example father and grandfather. Let's father is a parents. I deriving father from deriving father from grandfather. It is single inheritance. Then multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means guys father, son, and daughter. Okay, let's class is there. Assume like class is their father. Okay, one class is their father, not multiple, multi-level, guys. You can say it is multi-level. Multiple inheritance is not possible. Okay, multi-level. Okay, guys, level, multi-level inheritance. So one is father is there. Okay, So we can say one is father is there. Sorry, multi-level, not multiple. Multi-level we are implementing already, so I already explained. You can understand up to now. You can understand this is multiple. Okay, multiple also how it's possible. Look here. So one is father is there. Then we need to creating son class, son extends father. Okay, class son extend father means father all those properties or behavior will available in class son. Then same thing as, so I need to implementing. Okay, what is that? Class daughter. Okay, class daughter extends father. Okay, if I doing like this, daughter extend father. Father having two two child. One is daughter, another is son. So like this we can implement that one. Okay, I think guys, all thing you clear. Okay, this is multi-level. Okay, then I need to implement what? That hierarchy inheritance. One more is guys hierarchy inheritance. Third inheritance. That is hierarchy inheritance. Okay. Hierarchy. CSI. Okay. Hierarchical. Okay. Hierarchical inheritance. Inheritance. Okay, guys. One more is hierarchical inheritance. What is hierarchy inheritance? So hierarchy inheritance, guys, nothing. So hierarchy inheritance is that is father, son, daughter, all those things we can say hierarchy inheritance. Okay, this is hierarchy inheritance. Father, daughter, son, all those things. Sorry, guys. I think I'm explaining here. Okay, multiple inheritance. No, sorry, guys. What I explained the hierarchy. It is hierarchy. Hierarchy. Sorry guys, this is hierarchy inheritance. Okay, so I wrote there are multiple. I'm telling multiple. Okay, this is called hierarchy inheritance, guys. Okay, hierarchical inheritance. Okay, hierarchy. This is called hierarchy inheritance. What I explained previously. Then we need to explain here. That is okay. Hierarchy inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. Then here I need to explain what that multi-level inheritance. Okay, multi-level inheritance. multi-level multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means guess what? Multi-level inheritance means like grandfather. Okay, grandfather. Okay, then father. Okay, then having son. You can you. Okay, son. You can create like this: class father, class grandfather. I'm writing short form GF. Okay, class grandfather is there. Class grandfather deriving father, we need to create here father. Father extends ends. Father extend grandfather. Okay, father extend grandfather. It means like this. This is one level. This is father one level. Then second level is this is. Then third level, guys. Third level is I'm implementing like this: class son. Okay, class son implements father. Okay, it is called, guys, multi-level inheritance. Okay, then guys, one more fourth one is remaining. Fourth one remaining is hybrid. Okay, hybrid inheritance. Okay, fourth level inheritance, guys, hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance means, guys, all those all those things means grandfather, father, son, daughter, all those structure, all those above, all those above, all those above structure, all those above structure is called hybrid. Hybrid. BR. Hybrid inheritance. Okay, hybrid inheritance, all the structure called above structure called hybrid inheritance. Like, guess what? Like we can say that is Grandfather, grandfather. I'm writing a short form. Yep, grandfather. Then we can say father. Okay. Then father content what? Then father content. It's what? It's son. Okay. Its son is one subtype. Father content. Then father two things. One is son. Another is what? Another is daughter. Okay. So this is all those things. We can say all the structure. We can say it is a hybrid inheritance. Okay. This is guys. This is all about your inheritance concept. So guys, I think all are everything is clear or anything is remaining. Sir, which class multiple inheritance is not possible? Then here you no, that is actually by mistakenly I told there that is multiple inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance. I again I corrected no that one. Okay, in quickly by mistakenly I told, previously I told no that not possible, but here I told by mistakenly, then I finally it's corrected. Okay, all those things are clear or any doubt guys, please bring here if you have any doubt. Clear or anybody any doubt? Clear or not? Please ping me guys. There. Okay. Multi-level and multiple inheritance. Uh, yeah, both difference. Multi-level and multiple inheritance both different. Multi-level inheritance means guys what? Multi-level inheritance means assume. So your father, okay, your father, sorry, your grandfather is super type. Then it's coming subtype is your father. Then coming its subtype is you, so it will be coming one level wise. First one is grandfather, then father, then you. It's a level wise inheritance. It means it is a multi-level inheritance. If you want to implementing the multiple inheritance, so how it's, if you want to implementing multiple inheritance means we are implementing like this. So let's assume class son extends extends grandfather comma father, means at a time we are implementing to, we are deriving under two class. This is called multiple inheritance, but this is not possible in Java. Okay, got it? I think all things clear. Okay, okay guys, so I think all things clear. Today inheritance is completed, then tomorrow session we start next pillar. Okay, okay guys, so all things are done, so let's, you can drop. Okay, today's session this much. See you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye.